Danielle K. Howell, your mompreneur on a mission. And right now I want to give you 5 ways to close a sale using Instagram. As you may or may not know, I grew my business primarily using Instagram. Why? Because I didn't have a lot of money to put into advertising. So I found that Instagram was a great way to find your target market and to close. So right now I'm going to give you 5 ways that I close my sales using Instagram. Number 1, the first thing I do is I put hashtags. Hashtags are a great way to find your target market, to attract the people that you are looking for. So if you're not using the correct hashtags in your Instagram, I encourage you to do so. So like if you're in weight loss or fitness or health, make sure you're putting in your hashtags so that you can attract the person that's in health or fitness or weight loss, right? You want to use those hashtags. Number 2, when somebody likes or comments on your or reposts your post, then you want to thank them. You want to thank them for liking. You want to thank them for reposting. You want to thank them for commenting, right? Because after all, Instagram is what? Social media. So you don't want to just discount them as, oh, you know, they just liked it. No, that means that they like what you put out, so that's a green light for you to engage with them. Number 3, you want to take that like, comment, share, maybe do it a DM, a direct message to that person and say, hey, thanks for liking. What was it about my post that you enjoyed, right? So you start a conversation with them. That's what I usually do. I start a conversation with them. Number 4, once you start a conversation, then tell them to meet you on Facebook. Now, why do I do that? I tell them to meet me on Facebook because that's where I spend most of my time, and that's where they can really get a glimpse into who you are. Facebook has so much more of your profile there. Maybe you have videos on your Facebook wall. You have more of your family on your Facebook wall. It tells, you know, if you have your fan page. So Facebook is a great way to connect with your Instagram followers. And number 5, now you do a message in the back of Facebook. You direct message them on Facebook, and you talk to them, and you get to know their why. You get to know who they are. Maybe they are looking for your products or your services. So you'll ask them, you know, what do you do for a living? I see that you live, you know, in such and such an area. You find something that is a common ground. Maybe you guys read the same books, or you've watched the same movies, or things like that. You find something that you have similar to that person. You start a conversation. 9 times out of 10, when you do that, that person will start to ask you about what you do. They'll start to say that they like what you're doing, and then that is your opportunity to tell them, yeah, this is what I do, and I am proud to, I'm happy to introduce you to my system, my products, whatever, and tell them how that you can help them. So those are my 5 tips for closing someone, bringing them from Instagram, and taking them to a close. And if you have to get them on the phone, which I strongly recommend you do, then do that. Get them on the phone. Let them hear your voice. Or you know what I also love to do? Use a voice messaging on Facebook. That is something that's powerful because they get to hear your voice and they get to connect with you all over again. So the key to everything is connection. Connection. When somebody knows, likes, and trusts you, and they make that connection with you, now you're able to close them. They are now a part of your team. They're buying your products, and that's it. So this has been Danielle K. Howell. Hope those 5 tips were helpful. Get your Instagram account up and running. If you haven't been what's the word? If you haven't been too active on Instagram, get more active, because I guarantee you will find your target market there. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Take care. This has been Danielle K. Howell, your mompreneur on a mission. I'm out here drinking my coffee. That's why I'm talking so fast, but it's okay. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.